Eish. Today is Thursday. It's been long. I'm not around, so that's the reason even my team is no longer with me these days. As I told you the other time, bandu if bangahol vele funa find alternatives. So kurana i-podcast is so difficult, guys. Not podcast per se. There are many things they rana vele idinga i-capital. Without capital is nothing. So namhlanje ngiyamangala nginemrapper wami bala elokishini ukuthi then zabe yayiqalile nje ukhona kuyimela cause without money with nothing. So that's the reason I'm talking with team yami is no longer around with me. Sengishuthe more than 3 episodes. Angikho nabo, but I think so as I promised with I need to drop episode every week. But I don't think now I'm going to drop a Tuesday like this day because I'm no longer with my team, and to find people would shoot so difficult because people say they need a proper studio, often something to drink, to eat at the same time. You understand? So but yeah, so but it's final today. I'm with a guest. G, because if you're a rapper you call yourself some G. What up, G?
What up?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, no, finally we met. It's been 2 weeks, 3 weeks if I'm not mistaken. 3 weeks now. Yeah, I'm so sorry about that. I was unprofessional on that one, but I was busy. Yeah, I was really busy. That's the reason. But every time I was communicating with you, was dog. Sorry. And like a person would say, a tool you understand? Yeah. But finally, we will meet. Finally, we will meet. Yeah. How are you, by the way?
I'm good,
So, if you can introduce yourself before a stage name, because Niaz name is stage name, your name. Yeah. Who are you?
Okay, Donang Sizwe Nis.
Oh, Sizwe Nis.
Yeah, Sizwe Nis. Volen.
Yeah. Oh, okay.
AKA Smith. Smize. Pumalanga's very own. The number one favorite rapper.
So many names.
Yeah, nicknames, AKA.
Yeah, I'm a name. I remember you ever see Cooper. You were so quiet, man.
Yeah.
But you a rapper, like I was so sure this guy is a rapper. Actually, so.
Mara, I used to do it even since school, just because this patient is from
high school.
Yeah, from high school.
Nah.
Yes, just because I was so.
Hey, you're quiet, no. There's a Cuba. There's a Cuba. There's a Cuba blind. I was season. I was with. There's a Cuba blind. There's a Cuba. And but Bongo Pelmad about which like Bobon not Bandwana, like the standard. Nah.
The way you see, I was focusing on the
thing that you do. Yeah. But that time I never knew it was like you were a rapper. Maybe I'm gonna pay attention.
That much.
Nah.
Yeah. Never going to I'm sabo.
Nah.
Yeah. But bomlenga go back up. Never be every time I say to the pay.
Nah, well I
got. Oh, cool.
Okay, can you please wrap up about a school podcast? I'm a school podcast my Tala. Every time when I'm dropping an episode in Talenga.
You know, with this thing is kind of you're not like a proper planning about something for my
but if you're creative, but you like automatically some words you're gonna connect. Maybe just for 30 seconds, it's gonna be better than nothing.
Yeah, I can drop some lines.
Yeah, please.
Okay, what's in here? Okay. I remember Nyakumbula on my hunger days. Mancabang about the future, I used to be afraid. Emma puts a new like I sure I make mistakes. Emma Pupo Beganzima just to see the day. Excel, fake love, MC promises. Excel, Axanatando on his premises. Pulling easy, Oxanitember at the enemies. Bafuna Moshimbilo, I'm since the Genesis. Bangfuna Pansy every day, I'm losing energy. Sometimes I feel I can heal every broken heart. But what's the point? Cause Nami, I'm falling apart. Mbani hero, Nami, I'm falling apart. Shit, I'm that man in the mirror. I'm MJ Moon walking, I'm a sinner. Please forgive me, Jangotok Shabayang Linga. Bumalang is very honest, no the gimmick. That's it.
Shout out to you, but awukaripanga asikhulume podcast. You're rapping about you struggling, rapping like love, everything. Upugile. You heartbroken. What happened, dog? Why you heartbroken, dog?
No.
What's happening? What's going on? Why you heartbroken?
No, like you said, like before, man, you see, like sometimes, like some of the things to be taken from the past,
Yeah.
like the girlfriend, family, bangani, everything. You know, the backstab,
Yeah.
industry. Sometimes he pass on in there,
Mm.
and the band, but when I was this guy in the music, like usually like before.
Yeah, that's true. Yeah.
All of those things about like
Yeah.
just.
They fight pressure something.
Yeah, but
take limata and it's oh,
Yeah, but
yeah.
when it's no longer same logo, we fuel yam, we fuel yam, like we petrol yam, go logo like just let me just use this negative stuff.
Yeah.
Maybe so positive.
Yeah, and very abaningi their first album yana vele bakhuluma about their struggle. But mase bathole inyuku sebaqala bakhuluma basiswenkela.
Siyashelela.
Sebaflow.
Eish.
And yasamuva kahle lokuthi sitshela ngema Rolex akhe singongenza. Dog. To do like as I was introducing everything before we start school, I told you like like to run something is really hard. You understand? As I'm not around, as I told you, but I'm around. I need to walk maybe an hour plus, like to work on. Or or hike. You understand? But who hiker? Who risky because we are live to tourist cafe. You understand? It's better to walk. It's so nice. And in spot 5 at 12 o'clock. About you say you're gonna shoot at 2 o'clock, half past 2 or 3 o'clock. And from spot 5 till like now walk again. You understand? And when I just imagine now on a time, now I need to borrow a time. You understand how tough it is?
So much pressure,
How about petalani, she's and everything. But you need to go somewhere, you need to start somewhere before you become someone in life. You understand? And when they show if you become successful, don't forget where you're coming from. Because it's so easy to forget. And if you claim at the same time, but you claim those people that and those people went out to best
like I said, petrol.
Petrol. So I think at the end of the day, you understand? Take us back from you in love with music. How did you find yourself in love with music? Not music per se, rap. Why rap, dog? Because rap is costly. Attire con you need to be. And yes, but you know, shy fake. No, you even remember AKA na Casper. You talk about fake Rolex.
Exactly.
Why rap, dog? How did you find yourself in music first?
Okay, I think okay, I mean I used to do poetry, primary scale. Poetry, I was there every time.
Okay.
And then from poetry, he rap, he similar to poetry.
Yeah, kind of. Yeah.
But as long as I still do rap still.
Okay.
I've been very quiet to Bozola, Bo Mendoza, like gang there, because it's speaking my cassette, what's my CD cassette.
Yeah, when they put pen.
Yeah, we look at the whole quite we look at like my top 20, like the best, quite to what. I used to listen to from top 20 to all my track from the start until the finish. So but I never thought because I wanted to be like a rapper and stuff. That the person don't inspire like singing like this rap stuff. Eminem.
Oh, okay.
The first album I keep seeing Marshall made us the first album. Yeah. The album they know
that was a hit album.
Exactly. Yeah, from like Eminem Vele was the yellow Velung guy that thing about like every time like we to a so like 3 year Emma 21 but 21 being a radio as a car like we were taking a city like Eminem so what I'm to shows in everything in everything or 12 na top and two
but you know
radio I'm the car in radio anything no
oh yeah
just in fear, just Eminem, like the whole album.
Even tomorrow.
Into exactly. So this thing yang songs kakhulu to hip hop ngicotho this guy who rapper so okay namagama lawo bayawurayimisa igama leli like for example fan okay gani okay yamagama akhitha remanyana yabo sun and everything ngabo lengabe ukuthi la kune rhyming skill
Simon Sanovikan.
so ngaphindza nama metaphor nama punchlines nama metaphor yabo magama kuphuma khulume so yabo so ngasho ukuthi Eminem he like the boost yabo let me just do just
being hip hop.
yeah
Sembe unini lapho so ufunza high school mu primary.
Lapho ngicabanga ukuthi bese 2005
Yeah.
because 2005
Ufunza la.
bese bihle primary
So nalabanye nabo lebafana nawe leba kulelo lokulokuyo nako nguyi one udivethile wena because you had to plus join amakhwaya esikoleni mhlambe music lokuthi nasesontweni yabona nto le mhlambe sebese ngaba sekhaya but you know if iqulwa isikhathi esiningi sontweni nasesikolweni. So wena njani participate kuphi ngemusic esikoleni?
Basically benginelo ama poem nje like they used to do this poem madrum it sounds like it's like very like ngicabanga ukuthi into wena like act and stuff.
Okay.
So unfortunately you see when I talk ngiyastachalisha
Yeah, no problem. No. Ngathuli lana sikho to rush of anything.
No, like simkhulumela for ukuthi if bengifuna act bengibona for mala ukuthi because mangikhuluma but
oh no, you judging yourself.
Cut, start again.
You judging yourself. This guy is judging himself. Why did you judge?
No, I'm judging myself.
So, behuti labanye back inspire esikoleni ukuthi I know this dog, let's do this thing.
Yeah, bengani bami like bengani nokuhamba nabo bengani bami.
Oh, okay. Khona bangani benirapper now.
Isicula nawo, yeah. Mara wanna just be there just because it's something limnali labo being do it for the passion, yabo.
Oh.
So, unfortunately masimasi secondary.
Yeah.
Asa split yabo. Then la khona labanye ngihamba nabo still la bona khona okay this guy this thing ufuna kahle yabo. Mina I was still doing the same thing I was still doing music yabo. Often
Ngivunzile Thembe.
I don't know uyakhumbula benginomita like ima-assembly.
Benga notice because mina bengihlale ingqondo yami ibhizi. Bengingqondo yami ngathi kahle. Yeah.
Yeah, so I used to do malona lapha eScale yabo wanthunyana. So ngabona ukuthi this thing shothi this thing mangiyenda I feel happy.
Deliver something.
Yeah, ngithola ukuthi yeah. Let me just stick to this thing.
So kukhona i-track mhlambe leyakuthisha leyarelate nawo like yona mhlambe Eminem or any rapper so what I know this story ngiyarelate naso and ngibona ukuthi mangiphusha le story lezi mangiphusha le rap ne story sami ngathi ngihambisana because this person kusho relate nayo. You remember
I can say you see Eminem like I said.
Yeah.
Lengoma ecozwe iqula ngayo le stand so stand yeah. Now there was one of the song yeah, Kanye West, I don't know him that Kanye West.
Kanye West stage.
Yeah, I'm sure one
Yeah.
The Kanye West that inspiration and Hova.
Okay.
Hova Jay-Z.
Oh, okay. I don't know that name.
Yes,
I don't know that. But I mean, I'm not a rapper. I'm not a rapper fan. Yeah.
Okay, I can say it's Hova, Kanye, Eminem.
So what you relate about that song? Eminem.
Understand so about fan like imsenza blind to Eminem anything see just about Eminem. I'm palatting words Eminem I'm sending Eminem I'm told sometimes I'm okay and stuff. So ekuthenini konke le athi sebulele ichele yayo igirlfriend yayo la futhi nemntwana wakhe futhi pregnant cabanga. Because Eminem afuna ukurespond to uma lona to messages akhe.
Ujibulela lo?
Awu cabanga.
Lying. Ngicala nguva lo.
So this guy ugcina ukufaka what phosa in the bridge ngifana kunika pregnant bekanesisu cabanga umfaka imove to trunk. Yena shayela lona lawo warecorda itape recorda Eminem ukuthi uma toyithola itape ayisibeka nya so ulala because akhuluma noma message yakhe and stuff. So what for imandino noma shona njalo and Eminem imagine that kusasa wakhona kana thola incwazi le ngicabanga uzufuna le minga how this guy know how if you create this guy, but also got this guy is already dead. Hey, what's I said? Akufuneki ukuthi ube too much invested to uthanza umuntu ngalendlela yebo. Yeah.
So relate kanjani ngale stories?
Ngiyitha ukuthi nama issue lapha Eminem ngalendlela ngithatha but not I full understand no brain wena. So like I can say ukuthi nami njengoba ngilathisi yalo I feel like sibani even inspire when somewhere else I don't know who but I feel abe like abukuthi this guy ngaphandle kwakhe ngabona anything ukuthi ngibone Smith and everything.
Yeah. So yeah, no, it's too deep. Ngiyacala kiva the stories of Eminem.
Hey, check the video like.
No, I know the video. Maybe but sometimes you can listen, but you don't understand the message. Yeah, you don't understand the message. Yeah. Because tell pastor phangas papis ngincwadi sibe sekugcine ngathi uyadrive
because akaphendula messages akhe imsaza blind unama pictures all over the wall Eminem.
So dog, tell me what are you struggling with to figure wherever you wanna get to?
That's why success
yeah, because unesikhathi esidana just imagine you got more than 10 years.
Exactly.
You doing what you're doing. But solo ngathi solo awuvakali. Even mhlambe nale track lo usithi nasikhuluma ngayo namuhla. Mhlambe basengedlala nathi ku radio. Nathi ku TikTok, maybe TikTok challenges or whatsoever, nothing. Like yilo kubona ukuthi ngathi in a wrong way kumbe wenda kabi kumbe solo feel lapha about yakho.
No, there's nothing very wrong in now.
Yeah.
Just because it's process. Everything is a process. Everything is a process.
Yeah.
But I wish it was music until now. There's no different.
Oh, okay.
There is different. Yeah. The best hip-hop artist.
Where?
Like Momel.
Oh, okay.
We have a competition like Jack drinking or sneaker.
For real?
Yeah, like Manchester hip hop and slate. Then my ketamine to my properties, but the way my channel money just you workshop like this.
Okay.
It's like a workshop in music. A house. Quite to get depends who you so me in the hip hop side.
And you win the
and we're not thousands and winning. And I'm feeling imagine I was even late to the competition.
So we're winning in just an hour only, not man, no man.
I win a mentorship. I win a most of phones are scale up.
Oh, you did go
for music, business, music wise and stuff.
So you did go in then?
Yeah, I did go in. And certificates are called music and everything. Business, music, studio and everything.
So you know how to operate the studio?
Yeah, I know.
So it's for how many months?
6 months.
Oh,
6 months.
So who was your mentor?
DJ Zo.
Oh, DJ Zo. Oh, don't
yeah, DJ Zo. Yeah. Yellow mentorship.
Oh, shout out to her. Oh,
and then you don't get opportunity.
Oh, good.
Because I feel like just once okay, this guy, this thing, we find the way. Finally, just was doing that. Because I believe maybe I know something.
And what she said was what we needed about because. What believer, but I believe it that much. But as I give the opportunity, so we know what's saying.
What man perform so this kind of answer okay, if I'm going in the gratis minimum just me that opportunity. I don't know what's gonna happen.
Yeah. So what song you perform? Your song or someone else's song?
My come on.
No, I'm asking better and what about KO? I don't know. I'm dropping this song. I wanna perform KO's song.
No, it's not my song. I don't perform other people's songs.
What song did you perform that day?
Squeezer.
That was your first song?
No, I have some couple of just because if it can depend on the environment. If in this environment.
What's the name of the song?
Squeezer.
What's the meaning of Squeezer?
Squeezer
Makoni. Oh, okay.
What about Squeezer?
What about the Squeezer?
No, like the song was inspired by Mtuma Silele.
Oh, okay.
My Champlain, quiet what happened. It's more like sometimes quiet on hip hop.
Oh, okay.
So like, there's a student yeah, time that was in Kindiv, Kindiv produce, and I went to
yeah.
So that every bit idea.
Oh, you also can create a beat.
No, I can't create it.
Oh,
I can only.
You're only writing a song on.
As I can Kindiv, that I have something that's also see check is ganja. Like when I like you know I say when in delay yabo.
Okay, yeah.
Lenye la ngagcina safok mina ngiyikhaya kuwo this guy nothi I must do this thing ngeke phela isong eyiphi sinjani. Ngingafika ekhaya kuhambe uthi Smith bayifike njani ekhaya uthole njani sandoda come let's work on this song yabo. Okay, let me see the song yabo ngamnika no ifunza lapho. It's okay this dog say okay mina ngicabanga something ngicabanga nami idea. So that's that's fine dogs. Ditches.
Yeah,
let's do it. Try le ngwase shaya kamnandi just relaxile because chill phela.
Two of us,
but lapha studio and stuff. And then I like the first day we have this guy only this is the heat and like really but this is the heat you must market this song you must market this song and push what's the time then you push so ngizama ukuchaza le ngoma yachanga kanjani ingoma ngiyina ngayo that composition
okay
kama ngale leyo nomfana mkhindi fa sesiphinile dali kwaito ngisebese kwaito le hip hop seplane kwethu yeah now ngapho ngayibi to yibi
so bangathukana
I'm used to it bro
bangathukana like ufike late ngalana okay
so
pick out that
on that competition
yeah on that competition
say was bengathi bekungilagcula ama creative lapha ma fashion designer ma like ngido feel right labantu khona labantu bakhona creator yabo bengithukile mara not that
oh because you know it. So how did you come up with that beat? Like, because you say you the one who come up with that beat.
Example name to Masile, Mashampline.
Yeah, Mashampline.
But I mix any hip hop and
okay. So that guy take it from there.
Yeah, but we kind of from the scratch. We kind of from the scratch.
Yeah, but like the idea.
Yeah, the idea.
Yeah. So you took it from that.
From Mashampline.
So now, what do you know about studio? Because you say you went to Fundera studio. So if you have a studio, what do you know about studio?
No, I mean all I know is what you need in the studio to take in because the studio has function and everything. Artist from waphathe njani uyilaba ngakudinga amafike studio sakho bangafuna ushaye cross nights bangadinga na bonke nje yeah so like for example eating Wi-Fi studio or anything
need some drinks,
you need some food, the fridge, food and everything. Singing yokulala nyana ku space nyana for cross nights and everything. Na couch wathi nje there's a studio.
So which your first studio you once go to?
My first studio was in the Chiefs Squad. The Chiefs Squad, you know the Smash.
The Tuma Valley.
Musa, ngikora Musa Smash.
For real?
Yeah, my first album I recorded with Musa. I produced the whole album.
Okay.
Musa Smash it unfortunately now.
Oh, why should I let you try? What happened?
My conflicts, man, it's a story.
Because, but dog, tell me, do you believe in signing? Yeah, the recording deals and everything. Because they say they take you from here and they put you from here. You believe in that?
Yeah, it's something like that. Because sometimes I'm not going to go like so much. Perform, so many stuff, marketing, everything team like that. So, what was the question saying?
Do you believe in it?
Yeah, I believe, but I'm going to sign for show. I want to just sign because now one backboard and everything. For show, dealing Senarana. I mean, percent, Toramali, everything, checking everything. Even no much contact in the show. We are talking about rights. We are talking about my lawyer, more to Banda Bacolo, and then if the contract single over show. What jobs because we don't sign ID.
So, are you signed?
Not yet.
But you wish to be signed?
Yeah. But the property, no,
so which company, which record label do you wish to decide on? Like your wish, when I'm signing on a label there.
My company, ambitious about that. Just big Zulu for me, big Zulu because when I was much as I could pass a grain, I'm not going to car or something. I see over the
Oh, okay.
Mara phinda ukuthi nawamniki imali yakho. Singanika imali yakho nafuna
Yeah, you just
ukhulume nekhampani
just
yakho. I don't know.
and the problem of this thing, we only hear one side of the story.
Yeah,
Sometimes,
yeah.
most of the time. Ne? So, what was your first song that you wrote? You wrote it yourself, if you really remember.
Eish, ngincumbe ingoma ntwana.
So how many tracks are out there that they're Pumile and everything they did apart?
Eish, ngasho ngathuma nginawan album ngiyedwana the first album ngokuqala.
Oh, yeah. Oh, this guy. You have an album. What's the name of the album?
First one, ngisemncane phela kamuntu.
Okay.
Sesikinde.
So who produced that album?
Black Cats. But I got semncane akuthi propose
Yeah.
just
But
because
fans
idemo,
have,
fans
yeah,
is a
yeah,
demo.
it was a demo, yeah.
So my top album nje ngishilo ngismash vele ngisquad. So kuzwe mara lapho bengine group lapho bengine group.
Oh, okay.
Eco Stars, C3. Came out, yeah. Sometimes say Afro pop ne hip hop.
Yeah.
Then from there futhi ngathola i group futhi Loki Nation. Sakhipha i mixtape. 10 songs the quality group mochila abayis keyboard chair na Dream Out nokusing noZipho Milner Majida L Pro Black G Smith Loki Nation. Yeah, sakhipha just from 2015 to 2017. Yeah, benginalo group leyo.
So what happened now to you with them?
My complete, seminal group sometimes, lamanye asicabanga intelligence ayicabanga this, yeah, ngithola. Lomunye ufuna keyboard senisola asikhipe
But did you have a manager on that time?
Yeah, we had a manager.
So your manager bekakhona ukunihlanganisa kahle since masengasaboni ngeliso leli one.
Like bezama nayo just because lately this guy usukhande umuntu usuyithetha yabo usuba buhlungu usukwatile okay not ungakwati ndo ashayima bo. But nabanye abantu i-mentality
Ayifani,
yeah ngithola msiya. But I used to living and still subscribe.
But I'm talking about the group on its own, and we're no longer together pushing music together. Same time in my individual is something like that. I don't know.
Yeah. Labanye bakhona basebaqhubeka labanye bayekelisa labanye basebenza.
Yeah.
Elpro eqhubeka isonele music linene ngicaba nayo must be la ePitori.
So do you believe in this thing called Illuminati in this case?
Is it real?
Okay, what can you say about in your own understanding?
This thing is something deeper.
Yeah.
Singasho ngesintu singasho fana njengokuthwala.
Okay.
Ngesintu ngayifana njengokuthwala.
Yeah.
Then because ihambisana nama sacrifices lakhona bo.
Yeah.
Mara konke ukuthola okufunayo just because egcineni ngoba ngigcineni.
Yeah. So but you know very well that many of artists, many people that are popular, that they are running through that race, through that like lapha kule strength leyo ukuthi bangibamba lapha le mzila lo. If ungekho lapho, that's how be popular. Ube popular for that moment and
Mana phela angeke sibe show sibonge vele bonke la
but you can,
bonke.
yeah, no, but you talk about the one that in the limelight every now and then.
Ichi.
Ushido Chimashi, so why must I mention them again? But you understand it was a highlight now because they were experience one.
Yeah, ngoba esulike ukubona imhlolo le Nigeria le.
Yeah,
yini ngale bonile le.
Sorry because ngifuna ngathi bangamthola ku podcast ne.
Yeah,
adicate ukuthi akhulume ukuthi
ngikabona yini ngale bonile le.
Yeah, ngoba umuntu ozahlanye after so singathola information ephelele ukuthi what happened. And even another guy because the podcast I make maybe 2 weeks back if I'm not mistaken. He talked about Zahara and this dad was cause taking. I can't say allegedly because he said it like that. Yeah, and taking means now we open a case against that. Yeah. But in defamation of character, yeah, what we call it, whatever they call it. So you wanna join because they say those things of signing these contract things is part of it.
You have to pay it.
You have to pay.
Someone has contract because
most of the time because their terms and conditions rules applies
Yeah, they are.
So if you sign ukhumbule ukuthi yakunikela ukuthi mina nemigomo nemibandela lelo kule contract lo muntu owenza
Nakanjani?
and mangasawendi kwente kanani
Eish,
you remember what happened to MT
downfall yakho is there and there.
you remember what,
everything.
what happened to MT and everything
Eish, mara nyalo uza mimi pick up.
yeah but azange akasola kafika lapha
The level there, let's not think
akafika noma ngentando sola kafika
yeah, next time is.
so your stage name ithama kanjani
Oh, stage names are is still this. Okay, angizibekela la ilikazi yabo.
walusohlala unyaka
Ngamuva neminyaka mina ngamuva.
Umuva yabo?
Asingikele story.
okay yeah sorry
Okay, yeah. So I used to watch the Fresh Prince of the Fresh Prince of the Fresh Prince.
I don't know what is
Will Smith. Maybe okay, we know what Will Smith kakhulu yabo. Like ngithanda apply ngithanda amakhono phezulu. So every time ngithanda Will Smith every day Will Smith gogo akucishe TV angithi ngolimilela kanti ngivile futhi gogo ya Will Smith. Maye wase ali diwe asaza ngayo Will Smith from line from mitanga Will Smith bostwena no ba mitaka ngathanzi.
yisho khopha
Awona ukuphuta bangani bami Will Smith bangani bami la Will Smith is absent Will Smith yabona na say from there to scale, the come to the face scale. Which is Will Smith. Come on, Will Smith doesn't know Will Smith at all. Okay, then unfortunately, I end the music. Don't so still do live out. Still
yeah
that's okay. Since when I'm Will Smith, let me just make things serious so simple. But I'm Will Smith. Let me just catch a win. The Will Smith. I'm just Smith. It's fine because ingakhona ngena to repeat ingangena to gabela kulo so ngathi ke just Smith there futhi Smith actually azange ngathi Smith bo then ekhamba kwasikhathi this other guy bese ngizeyini beka rapper ohlalele kazi ngicaba
yeah ngimkhumbula wala
say
what happened to that guy
RIP say
washona
to
behlala hamba mthatha krepa nje lapho gcina ehlala la
last day or last day
okay
elbo ushona on the same week spare lenye podcast
okay
then podcast but nayo uncopy just njengemngane when it is school just 1 2
okay
that same week no that ngiba about it finds the podcast on Monday on Saturday but this guy is already
no longer there
oh ngazange themba cha
no between what happened
they say he got good
no
madam some people that time I'm say okay no just everything's fine you know
I'm going to
yeah I mean I'm cool you know I'm okay then Saturday this guy so this akase kwa
oh so yeah he's the one
oh yeah it's Smith you know say you know that guy it's Smith afuna Smith I don't know how you Smith oh yeah oh that's okay Smith yeah that's it Smith yabo yeah so lela Mpumalanga sivile onganika ngiriyo mabonde no rimabonde kwala FM I was always there every time kwala every day ngibang
kwendana ba
ngiyasubmisa ngicheck my interview every day I was there like but these guys really
every day those one about traveler from Lana to
bengithenga ticket like ticket very
let
submit ngifuna kwathi information in music ngisafuna kwenza music ngithola music and ngaphandle akusilelo phela like mina ngena like to zawuthini like ngifuna kwathi music like ngithola music yeah but ngithenga ticket like for kuzingekhona kena everything ngiyangena
I know. So what have you achieved lapha kulelona yakho until manje besides lama hours what else did you achieve
fan base like fan base amsizayifana kudala balama ningisanga ngiyasanga khona this guy okay ngibona any video this guy ngibona newspaper this guy ngithola oh Smize yabo so like nema gig ngiyakhona kwathola angibhadale yabo ngombela ilangeni these big gigs like yabo so akufana kuqala benginophuma la small places abantu abancane yabo then uhamba expand yabo ngithola and I never thought it's never laba labakunakako lo mina I'm just doing for myself kanti nabantu lababukelayo yabo from there like okay nyalo sengamuthi these people just basabangenzela from yabo
so do you have sponsor
I used to have Squeezer the country yabo
oh no sponsoration
ngisayisi ngisho squeezer
So they sponsorisha i-dog. Every time noma uhamba uphethe i-squeeze lapha.
No, like bangihamba nami kuma events, bangisponsorisha, bangipha something yana nami ukuze ngibe grand yana
Yeah.
and stuff.
For how long?
Because it ngaba nebad because ngayithola after 4 months. Okay, sasemenda 4 months, then after 5 months go squeeze bayineka use nyana sekho squeeze like that.
Cobo.
Sadropa and yabo sekusenya yabo sekunjani sekushile so yabo. Mara kubeka because we can sakubona still unayo that thing yabo. This guy was bahleli like a boardroom yabo. This guy like bahleli bonke boardroom babukela YouTube. How squeeze, what the heck this squeeze. So and like the video unfortunately ngifake na le drink apha. Squeeze thing out, yeah. But okay, this thing, this technique, this part, if I like play donate squeeze like
promote.
yeah. Then from there, whenever some time comes up.
Oh, contact abafuna
bangithola la ngikhona khona street whenever afika. Sakhuluma side le deal wabangilona lo.
Yeah. So how much per month they raise?
2 point something. But
Better than nothing.
yeah, yabo.
So was bonga si full time but very when everywhere where you going ngiyabo picks work you come there.
Yeah, ngiyithola yeah.
You must squeeze badla abantwana bekayini.
Hey baba, hey.
Ugeza ngayo.
Hey, ngisayikhona ikhanuka village.
I'm trying to tell you. Let's hope you move.
Yeah.
So but now you have your own studio. You have your own studio.
Not really.
Why not though? It's been long.
Not really. Ich kann es mir focus on me. It's not a studio like we have a studio.
I'm talking about your own studio.
Nah, I don't have one.
Why though?
Like you said, we see, but too much pressure, dog. It's too much pressure.
What kind of a pressure is
Too much pressure, dog.
Girls pressure.
Too much pressure, dog. So many things, dog. So many things.
Unpack them.
I know sometimes playing the float such a team challenges. Imagine sometimes when I so yeah, I'm supposed to have a studio so shows this thing
because you can't buy the whole equipment like at once. Cost for you.
Yeah. I want to
so it was like
rent drop.
Yeah.
Entertainment is better than
Okay.
drop entertainment.
Okay, I don't know.
Raindrop, nis, Vulin.
Oh, you wanna call it like that?
Raindrop entertainment. Imang to
Oh, my nga film yung Vulin at na some so I thought to be an artist it's cost first drip checks.
Yeah.
Because when you just come out of the house, even if you're Mandian, you need to be well presented. So how do you manage that thing?
Yeah.
I need pride. I need much because you have personal depression at the same time.
Yeah. Sometimes.
Because you need to be like on point every day.
Sometimes.
You can't repeat any things that you wear today and repeat them again tomorrow when you're coming out. Unless maybe indoors, yeah.
Oh, I think okay. I mean, I tried to ask him. Okay, yeah, you can say that, but I'm not communications, stations, and I'm fully coach. I'm fully do the time.
Not even those things. Even Mr. Price on its own.
Yeah.
But some commander would say updated, clean.
Fashion,
because you know, if you're a rapper, very fashion is in what you do. Because you can see even I'm a piano artist, many of them. But because rapper, yeah. If you pay attention on that. So when I went and I'm not praying.
I'm not praying because I'm not going to so we're smart. We're smart. We're not acting is very much something, you know.
Yeah.
Sometimes shows like afford no, but I can't go more to the trend.
So what do you do according to women that you date? You're dating a woman that you're in the same industry or what?
It depends.
Yeah. So but you once date a person in the industry one?
Not really.
Why not? Because you're talking one language. So when are you dating a church goer?
Yeah. Alex, I'm down.
But you can't be down and find someone like down as you.
I am down to
But you can't find someone like you.
Oh,
You basically bore lapho le
too quiet.
Ah, what you call?
Yeah. Mara lungayinyala nginika kudele ku understand.
It's also down.
Yeah, understand.
Because you need to find someone a fashion designer trying to act. You're busy with something like they don't click and you need to sometimes. Because you know why I'm saying that. You go out for a gig. And she used to go to when every time around this time you call her. Or willingly mention me too, you understand? But this time I will call and I'll be young. But get kicked last week. You can't book it on the one, but last week will be
This week, yeah. It's
explain and everything, but what the phone I can say off and everything. Say why in drama, but if that person at way
same industry.
We understand. I don't know, maybe you get what I'm saying.
At all.
But I'm not sure what very but it's
very
yeah.
I mean, give me understand. You know, thing. Very much thing. Yeah, this is why thing has applied. So we support. Imagine.
So did you want to write a song about her?
Yeah. I did. Oh, like you compliment. So ngendlela bona hayi ngibona ngayo uchaza ngani nayi nami ngichaza ngani yabo love dog love respect
like
trust love respect and peace yabo so yeah ngiyolongchaza ngayo ngichaza ngayo like these things.
Let's talk about the track that is out there. Let's talk about the track. Oh, what's the name of it again? Luthando.
Yeah, Luthando.
It's about her also.
No, Luthando is about love.
What about love, dog? And what happened between you and that?
No, Luthando is like I'm talking to every girl. This song is like a girl who put a ngoma to he's do outside.
Okay.
So from a distance, so you check out the outside.
Yeah.
So the outside of Pumalang, actually, I don't know, so why is it ends which you so I might like so I could shoot him or Pumalang. So this song is about love. So I'm gonna fight into healing and singing a who check out and I artist person claim and from you but don't understand.
Yeah.
Piano, but it's a piano, hip hop is a piano song.
Okay. Oh, so why specific about Luthando? Why was Ukulme about the girl? What happened? You look figure it out to what Tola was also
no, when I in the music, uzama to music actually Luthando call anything what
yes, maybe that's why I'm asking Luthando, there's someone who told me about this thing. So I said, no, let me make it a song. Or you watch something and you make it a song. That's what I'm asking.
Inspiration actually piano.
Okay.
Chilo, yeah. Since I call my music work, when I will piano and then I know
Okay, yeah.
So inspiration to was this guy okay and if I'm already there. I'm saying I'm
to do a song with her.
So Lengoma from the start to the finish.
Yeah.
Just because I'm going to I don't know if that voice there the voice that giving you phone again. So the change is a change girl. So they part in there. So you can't do this thing in what pull up as if voice like tofu, I'm sure try. It okay. I mean like 2 days. 2 days uzakhona ukugqeyesa kahle namantu nami then ilanga lesibili ngisayisitudio so record le ngoma vele
Just like that. Yaqala yena ku-record music.
yeah but I first time but iqulu sombili is a church girl and stuff no call igama lakhe uhlalithe one
Ne.
yeah hey you know voice length
Ne. So wena ungithola uLuthando wena lohamba kulo.
no kwenye outtime ngiyaculela like but iqulu quiet onyala izimopiano
Oh, so
so
ngiyokufuna
ngibizele ngoma le ngathi sale ngoma le ngona ngishele kumatiko manje ungaswecula so le ngoma le voice yakhe ngaba right for le ngathi mina nodwa ngadlala ngami ngoba show le voice ngiyifuna straight vele masifika simbisele ngoma athi ngathi vele le ngoma vele yabo bazele bemile ukuthi
So who come with the beat?
Shakul song F and X X Shakul na song F.
Oh, they came with I know dog, let's put it like this.
Yeah, they just put it like this. But
They are also producers.
yeah, I'm a producer. I'm a producer. I'm being producer and stuff. Yeah. Para
bakuphi studio zabo?
kakhulu la ePinar.
Okay.
And then song like on South, and then X Sipitor.
Oh, okay. So X nginyela kanjani nginike finish product
Yeah,
yeah.
pollution yeah.
But wangala
Wangale.
oh wangala
Yeah.
so how did
I'm not travel, some no way ngale cheap on sometimes.
oh
That's how many people make kahle home. Besnabo areas nabo did of desk.
oh yeah oh why those boys
Hey, those white ones,
I don't want to use that thing.
Yeah.
Yeah, but no, income
Yeah, those guys, yeah. Yeah, we like we say kahle home na mas ko ngali na lang sa ni ludi, kasi ludi. Ang tulo ngabe na.
Oh, okay. Nah, so how do you manage with your performer like Bukauti?
Ngiko lo.
Uma lo like of this.
Ngiko ngikhoze imizwa kwami online ufaka inamba and everything ma details ami lapha nani manje ingoma okay ngithola kuna ku Insta wa phone okay ngibona the song la ngicela invite out zakho la nani yabo
Okay.
to perform nabo case ba ngami nabo bo questa nabo areas nabo lo yabo
Yeah. Oh, okay. Nah. Awan. Iyo wala musunenhlanje. Esathi kusisolo sangafika
hard work baba
You hard work, ne?
dedication yeah ish like sinhlanhla there's no such thing as luck.
There is such thing as luck.
There is a
There is such thing as luck. I'm telling you, there is such thing as luck. So phela inhlanhla lekuthi umuntu aphike
prepare like
this not there.
align for
Ngathi align sokugcina ukuthi fuck bakuphike baphika squeeze bakuphika in TikTok. That's
In
not
YouTube,
how many
yeah.
people they are in there.
oh yeah
You understand? That's love, dog.
I can say
You can work hard as much as you can, as much as you want. Oh, dog. Even
like now is one of those now
it's part of of the
process
game,
and stuff,
Nah. So the track is out there.
The track is out. It's on Spotify. It's on every on digital platform.
Digital platforms, yeah,
YouTube
yeah.
everywhere, TikTok. Yeah.
Nah. I-video.
Vishale noxolo na case nizo.
Okay.
Case nizo na ngathi ngitshela ngayo ichizo kwechilo.
Oh, okay. So if music videos now you expect something.
Ngitowena anytime soon.
You once made a music video for
Yeah,
yourself.
I did. Ngicabanga 3 hours, 3 or 4 or 5, 3, I don't know.
Proper ones.
Yeah,
Nah. Because they say music video is expensive.
Yeah, ngibeng budget like ngibeka imali ngokude.
Like the expensive one, how much did you spend?
Almost 6 point something.
Nah,
But it's not that expensive, no.
Oh,
And imagine
I don't have that 6 point something myself for
imagine
now. Like,
ufuna ubhatala na lama model obitila ama model
as we rapper very funa kubona
no buchila ba rights nama chita la grand lapha la machila ama model uyamatha model lawo dzinga live yakho buchila ba grand wadzinga live
nah.
nekudla kufuna kuphele ukudla even is like almost bad now
Because like, yesterday bengalela King David Mashabela. King David Mashabela studio. You don't know. Lo mando ngathi ubani radio but let's think what was the radio.
like wala
No, David Mashabela man. David Mashabela. Let me check. Let me see. David Mashabela.
ngibona ma pixels
Oh. This guy David Mashabela.
oh that guy okay so yeah
bengilalela yena interview Ifan.
oh
Say, yeah, Ifan he once paid 30K for music. So like that's the reason I'm asking this talk. How much you spending for music video? Because they say music video is expensive. That's the reason maybe many tracks that are out there they don't have music videos because they say they're expensive.
because udependa nalabantu abakushuthayo ukuthi abantu abanjani kufana njengalesi company bathini yawashutha na kukhwesta na music video akubani
Okay,
bathi kubani kwena ukubani
I don't know.
those guys labo bolabo
Okay.
guys
I
labo
don't know even though like angad but sing
bathini ekhohle mayini yabantu isawusisho yabantu lo
Okay.
these guys the team mara basemna ukuthi is like dependa ukuthi uqala 15 blocks 15 20 25 30 dependa 16 selapho dependa ukuthi if to ibila 15 it's fine betokushuza bangasukole betokushuza la 50 or imali leyo but le video yakho batokufakela wona kulama lona ukuze wena akusadingi ukuthi umixele wena yourself yabo
Oh, they also market for you.
depend uzokhipha imali
Oh.
uzokhipha imali yakho imali just for example maybe keep le 15 bakubiza ka channel O
Yeah.
phela channel O phela
Mm.
20 blocks trace 30 blocks trace MCV nending
Oh,
my interview my interview like
Oh, they market you.
yeah.
You say, hey, no, to make what you do, dog.
So mangicabanga that guy yena I felt nayo ngiko labana vele obviously
Yeah.
those guys ngimana makhampa la hlukene wo ngicabanga ukhiphe lo 30 blocks then babe ne 15
Yeah.
so
So,
thina la sasema local so sakona lo sa
but you're using local people for.
yeah mara model la create la push out like just I'm just speaking
Yeah, saying actually, but those people that they make the music videos, you using the local
yeah
local guys.
yeah local guys bo sas bo minyasa those guys laba batile bashisa bavile
I don't know.
Yeah.
Okay. So, can we expect the music video of this song anytime soon?
Luthando, yeah, I think I'm gonna do this because now it's like December. So
And shoot the music video.
yeah, I'm talking about the track is already out.
They also already
I'm
have-
talking about the music video.
But they push those people that you featured them there, but they are pushing it and my social platform.
Yeah, guys, they push. But you know, it's my song. It's my song.
Yeah, but even if it's your song, though,
Mm.
if like now we're doing an episode, man, you can also push it yourself.
Yeah, I can.
You get what I'm saying?
Mm.
It's not a matter with
It's
it,
really when
whose
you
song
must do
is
it yourself,
yeah,
whose song is-
yeah. So
Mm.
that's our problem as a like
Mm.
you don't push one another.
Mm.
You push yourself only.
Yeah, yeah.
That's the problem. But you can push artists that say yes,
Yeah, well,
but you can't push your
Nah.
local artists.
Tabang.
You get what I'm saying?
Yeah,
That's
yeah.
the problem that we're having in the local.
Yeah.
Mm.
Support and
Yeah, no, we
support
don't-
I equal that much.
Mm. So, but you local gigs, do you get local gigs?
Yeah, they do.
No,
Yeah,
like when?
it depends. It depends. You perform, but I don't know now.
Dana bafuna mapia
nganyamazana stadium
stadium ya.
ngombela cassette ngombela ukhayuthizi stage like bulanga bonkomazi like bulangeni bonkomazi izawuthi nje ngiyaphi travel sometimes yabo
So if uthi uyagiga wena manje, you gigging a lot. In a month, how many gigs you used to gig? Mawuthi ugiga now this month I've gigged. Yeah, mina ngibonile i check yami.
yeah ish yeah this time around
Yeah.
because since when ngene amapiano mo hip hop is on decline ngencane.
Oh, it's not decline. It's just because banda
It's decline.
pay attention
Ayikafiyona isamile.
Ayike manje pusha ngetulini ya.
Ngepace,
Yeah,
ngepace
tulini
yayo.
ya.
Ipesa, yeah.
Batukushapa nje. Yeah.
Yeah, so ngiyathola nge UK ngasho maybe 1 2. Like akafana kucala. See if you can from I stand to
Oh, but namanje nanyalo lomnyaka lona every weekend you used to.
not every weekend. Get depend. Get depend ukuthi
Yeah.
Nthunyana nyalo ngicela phela sangicela phela ethe kwalo.
Ngibona sakho.
Incendo siyade was other thing lapha iphathi matrash ngiyali phathi kule heritage.
Okay. So, what's your biggest check that you ever made in one gig? In a gig?
Yeah, St. Blocks.
Go.
The moment.
Some of them. Oh. Ayo, so
St.
sure.
Blocks. Hey, say this. St. Blocks, look, my eyes.
Ayidla washawa ivalo ngathi even one thing for your studio equipment that
Ngathi laptop.
oh you bought
Yini
it.
ngathanda ukuthi pika nyana bo.
Oh,
Then le lenye vele ino.
boxing.
Hey, mara no.
Oh, why not dog? You need to. But you need to. But kufuna ujabulise komtimba lo wena imali.
Le procedure.
Yeah.
It's almost 10 blocks. 10 blocks, almost, yeah. 10 plus 10 blocks.
Yeah. Danonye ku. So ubi gogo.
Gogo washona, eish.
Ah, shame. RIP to her.
Yeah.
Nah.
So, hey.
What happened was she old? Was
She was sick.
Mm.
Ngiyagula, so
she sick?
yeah. So yena vele gogo is my best friend.
Mm.
She used to be my best friend.
Yeah.
because everything very new, everything even inspiration ngiyangi like ngi-inspire into
Yeah.
give up yena nento leyo yabo
Like-
uma ufika i-crowd ibuka so bayisada i-crowd yabo nani
Yeah.
anginike imali yokurekhoda nginike imali yokurekhoda
For real?
hawu dot imali yokurekhoda yabo nabo anti ugcina emakhala if samnike imali yokurekhoda umuntu asibone into yakho ukuthi I can see siyawu I can see it mina
Yeah.
myself
So it's one of the reason now you have applied for a job for yourself to push it, because you can see family don't support you that much, because if family funa mayifaka imali namuhla ibone ama results like nathi manje uthi ngikhulu
yeah fast and because it's a process abafunda ama process la sebona le listing yenda coco kanjani if ungasebenzi hamba usebenza lapha esebenza
so Doc, how do you manage your job and your career that you want to push ayihlangani
yeah nginekusebenza ikhampani igama layo kuma machine company sometimes I'm not taking a just very clear to events kuma ngoti
okay
excel
yeah
sometimes I'm going to say ngoseven ngo6 ngoseven ngangena emsebenzini
Masaba ngene emsebenzini
ngoseven ufike emsebenzini lesemina kude original job lo umsebenzi lesemina usake kuhle kuphela ngawo ngisebenza emsebenzini lesemina yona eceleni
okay
nemsebenzi music because music angishisa aba ayisi every time hlala kuba every time
yeah you can
ngoba nasemsebenzini eceleni uzela khona ukuboosta nyana imagine uphuma ngo3 then ngo7 ufike ungena emsebenzini
you don't speak
indoda pressure indoda futhi same day ngo7 bese ngo2 maybe Saturday ngo2 ufuna ukuze zinala gift futhi uthandwe e-commerce semene.
so you did that thing for how long
For I think of almost 8 years. Imagine that. 8 years.
that's why
Mara-
you so them thing
Come on, no.
I'm just kidding
But in Spanish, long time I'm catching, I understand. So this guy is a performer and
Yeah,
stuff.
yeah.
Sometimes you say you figure late man, but you know, open corner sometimes.
but you bobo pass out the emsebenzini
Nah, come on, I'm a soldier dog.
oh you soldier
Yeah.
oh so I'm with the soldiers here
Yeah,
when I
soldier.
bulala labanye abantu so Doc, I'm having an idea for you why don't you be also add on your career to be a hip hop DJ
Okay.
hip hop DJ, you know it's highly impossible ukuthi ungahlala in a week ungabili. It's highly impossible. I'm not saying it's not possible.
Mama person,
Yeah,
man,
but
slim.
because
yeah.
you DJ your own music, like your music per se. So after that, maybe mhlambe so sale long 20 minutes or 30 minutes. Now you perform your songs.
Get your own songs on top of them. Yeah.
You perform your songs. You perform your songs.
Okay.
I don't know. It's a nice idea.
That's an idea.
I'm just thinking something like that.
Ingaba possible just nemalanga just nemapiano ufuna ngifunze ne
Even if noma ngase piano per se, that hip hop music, that
hip-hop.
hip hop thing.
yeah.
But there are few people that they can DJ hip hop.
There are
According
few.
mix
There are
hip
few,
hop.
yeah.
Yeah, there are few. Few of them. According mix hip hop, there are few. But you could. But when I do in music,
You watch you know this song
yeah, we
take
can
it
use.
late,
Yeah, well,
turn it up, yeah, I can see that.
yeah. When there's something.
Yeah, that's an idea.
Yeah, that's a nice idea.
Yeah, that's an idea.
You have your fashion Clothes.
Like,
clothes, t-shirts. They are called.
yeah.
So why don't you wear it today?
I used to have my t-shirts on Smith the brand, Smith the one, woman has very old and stuff. So this year very tough. So I didn't make any t-shirts and everything. But I promise you, dogs. I'm going to
Yeah,
and stuff.
yeah, please. I think it's one of the things that you need to do every time, because somebody we have people know what to do. Try so maybe one t-shirt is better
Yeah. Must be not going. I used to do that. You talk with them just so. You know, going like as my t-shirt in my city. Before my Spotify and
Yeah,
everything.
yeah. Yeah, like
City.
demo, everything.
Yeah,
Yeah.
since the city is t-shirt and everything.
Yeah.
Yeah. So, but my t-shirt I can sell the merchandise. But music or else the balance online.
Yeah, no, music now is online.
Yeah.
Everything's online. So why don't you do also sound engineering?
Some engineering.
I don't know. I'm asking like.
Cinema. Yeah, you know. But ngaba crane, ngaba don't compose
Because
music
pattern,
music wise.
yeah. Because if maybe you can learn some engineering, one day you also have the sound, you know, teach the sound there.
Yeah.
If you don't perform, you know my sound is there.
Mm.
My t-shirts are there.
Yeah,
Maybe I'm
yeah.
having a sneaker, maybe you can understand the care.
Yeah, totally,
You understand?
totally, yeah.
Because if you unebantu mhlambe from a Sunday, they can push it, things for you. You understand? Wherever you go, most neban from a Piton, you push things like you better when it's so easy to you for you if unale t-shirt yakho or cap yakho every day noma ugcoke le pins eyedwa ababona ukuthi
because
yeah, but first
it's
cover.
your brand.
Yeah, first to cover, you understand? So it's one of the things that you need to mawuthole imali uzame nje nje imali because yabona that says make nyana yabona like one day lighting proper cameras and everything it's tough though. I won't lie to you, it's tough. That's the reason I told you before we start talking to run something is really tough. People they will look at you. You don't see it go for not players and push it.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay,
You understand?
you're getting there.
No, very you need to pass through some of the stages
Yeah.
in life before you figure somewhere, you understand? But if we are thinking like ekhaya ngileya angeke uphume ngendlela le wrong unless ubalekela something, you understand?
Yeah.
So nalana where I'm going I can see, you understand? So mangifika lapha I know very well where I'm coming from because our problem with sikhokhela kuya.
Exactly.
No, shout out to your women that you're having. Hey, sis, shout out to you. Hey, this guy next to me. You're flashing. He's glowing. You're glowing. Look, do you want smoke drugs? Because many people artists they want smoke drugs. Ne. You went down. So but you do smoke.
Couple of drinks, one, two,
But you do smoke.
Yeah.
What?
Cigarettes, though.
I'm asking, but you need to be high. Sometimes there are some situations where you need to face them high. What makes you high is alcohol.
I mean, if I'm high, I won't do anything.
Nah.
If I'm high, even I shouldn't lie. It's better to do it sober.
Mara musuwena maone mahloni musinda uba high court. Univa isavesa la ku.
What do you mean?
Kuzi umuntu lone mahloni uthatha a substance imende ukuthi alashela mahloni.
Nah, but actually, I tried before. I'm talking from experience.
Oh, you once tried the weed?
You perform, I'm going to stage perform here.
That's a good
One after one, like, this guy is from one. But I was okay, at least sober, or at least so tips in okay, I have that. So imagine if each will say something.
So beside music, what are you up to? What can you expect from you beside music on its own? You know, we say this year maybe, but we left with 2 months. We can't expect a music video because he's mad good, guys. I can tell this guy. I don't know, got no money.
You can't.
Yeah, but you got bank account pay.
It's gone. I have some couple of cents now because I was in.
Oh, okay. This guy had money. Guys, told a music video. You can expect a music video anytime soon.
I'm now here, so I can survive.
Yeah. So what can you expect from you over next year or whatsoever?
Next year, I think
we need a project from you next year.
I'm gonna explore. Explore. Like I'm gonna be stuck on
one place. Oh, okay.
Exploring and then
different genders.
Yeah, I won't connect. I'm gonna check what's coming. Oh, what you never know about just like this guy doesn't know. Reason,
the rapper.
Yeah, when you're in a piano, but I saw hip hop.
Sizo ala kind.
Yeah, Sizo. But simply let me try. Boy, I do say as I'm saying, let me just expand. Okay, this guy doesn't play the piano, and just because you're going to just go out. Yeah.
I know, though, in closing, what can you say to people, to your friends, people that they follow you, they follow what you're doing? What can you say to them? Before you talk about those people, what can you say to grandmother if Mabia Pila Maya? What can you say to her?
I can say with some Kumbola. Kumbola kushana na tuki na kumbola wisdom yake wo. The inspiration yake ngiga yona. Yeah, every day I can sacrifice a day langa leli one just ukuthi ngimbone just one day it's fine
Or God can take you just one day.
just ngimbone like ngikhulume naye always
But she don't come. She doesn't come in your dreams.
she
Oh, she comes.
every time like cabang she
That's
comes
nice.
like she comes like
Yeah. So what can you say to your fans now?
my friends
Yeah.
me to my friends actually ngibonga that support like la my friends ami so honest
Yeah.
so ngibambile like so ngoba ama challenges
Ah, very, yeah.
it's been some couple of years but some years
Yeah,
la my friends so loyal kimi ngiyabonga kuba
Shout
loyal
out to them. Yes.
ngiyabonga ukungisupporta ngiyabonga unginspire ukuthi ngiqhubeke even though sometimes ibona singene
Hard,
kabi
yeah.
so ngibonga lo ukuthi ngicela ukuthi ngingapheli mandla ngiqhubeke njalo
Yes.
one day sizoreach that spot esifuna ukuthi sireach yabo nami ngiyenikhohle you know
Yeah. So in closing, a person, a young rapper who's out there, solo naga fix, solo la na figure one, and solo la tell what can you say to him or to her?
ngasho ukuthi angapheli umoya spirits yeah
Spirit.
spirit and
You're not a spirit, lo muntu.
siyaphela phela come on
And the spirit, so not a son.
oh hi
Don't talk about spirit, you know.
no like you know come on spirit come on labo
Yeah.
fast spirit tana
Mm.
or sisters so fast spirit nyana just when ube negoal yakho loyisethako yabo
Kahle kahle.
ubuke wona straight ngoba wathi ukuthi anything toyendeka just when ube focus kule ufuna kuyi achieve toyenda anything kwendeka ngihlangene nje
Yeah.
the more ufuna uma so serious with these things useyabona say the one lapho nglawo lama difficulties and everything ama disappointment nema what kuba too much kakhulu lapho shows you are closer to le ufuna ukuthi achieve yabo and unga give up lapho I don't know ukuthi lapho vele you already you are fail yabo so you must be in failure even though ungafail try again and again and again and again and again and again la kanjani ngehlali ngalo because universe ithanza umuntu othembayo umuntu lo ngathini umuntu universe ithanza umuntu lo ngathini iyakhona kulelitha nawo if you themba nayo itokunika ama opportunities and stuff to wona along the way yabo
Yeah.
just because you are grab and then when you show you do your best even though ungaphiza ufail futhi again try again to grab ngasakho it's part of the process yabo song is love song yeah
No. Thanks a lot for your time, Machine. I wish all the best for you.
yeah
Whatever you're doing. It's a win.
echt dog
Yeah, ngifisa ke next day sibehlila sikhuluma about your win.
supake something ngapha le screen nyana ish
Hayi angifuni ukupaka something. Ngifuna ukuthi ikhaya lakho sovula ekhaya.
hey
Ngifuna imoto yokuhlala.
hey uqala ngekhaya first thing
Yeah. Angesilala emotweni, yabo?
hey
Ngeke sibe semotweni.
hey
understand?
yeah
Lo baby lokhuluma ngayo ngeke alale emotweni. Angeke umteke umhlalise emotweni. Stop.
hey dog
Next year we'll be sitting again, maybe in my studio, talking about you having a studio.
hey
Yeah, talking something greater and greater.
yeah
Thanks a lot, man.
ngiyabonga guys ngibonga for the support it is your boy Smith Smizey Mpumalanga's very own Batman Nyoni
Ciao.